craving savings.
Hello. Yeah, we have got some great deals today, as always, for when you are craving savings. And we're going to start with a question for you. What is better than climbing into bed at the end of a long day? And the answer is climbing into bed with our first product. This is the Comfort CANOPY Plush Mattress Topper.
It looks like a giant cloud.
It is overfilled and extra plush. And it's basically, this thing is going to make your bed feel like you are sleeping on a cloud. Plus, it keeps your mattress protected from dust mites and allergens.
Yes, that's what I was going. Yes, we love mattress toppers. You just pop it off, throw it in the wash. It's awesome.
I agree. It really is such a great thing to protect your mattress and also to protect your great night of sleep. So, this comes in a twin, full, queen, king, and California king. So any size bed that you have, we've got one for you. And I love it's so easy to put on. I mean, because you use these all the time, but it's got little, elastic hooks right here. You literally just put it on top of your mattress, hook it on underneath. And that old dingy mattress that maybe you haven't loved has become this cozy plush oasis. No new mattress required. And, we have seen these sold for up to $150 to $190, depending on the size on the brand's website. But we've got these for you in any size for just $69. So that is 54 to 64% off. I think this is such a steal. I love this.
And that is amazing that they're doing it at every size. So the bigger your bed, the bigger your bargain, you guys.
This is the FINELIFE wireless and rechargeable water flosser. So we've got it in silver and in aqua. It's a wireless and rechargeable water flosser. So it's like you put it between, instead of floss, right? You take this, it fills up with water. See in here, it has 3 cleaning modes. So they're soft, strong, and pulse, and it cleans right between your teeth safely and quickly. And it gives your mouth a deep clean for overall better oral care. The water just really shoots right out, gets all those little things that are in between your teeth out. Your mouth feels so clean.
Tell me all about the pricing on this one, because this is amazing.
We have seen these sold for as much as $60 on the brand's website, but we've got it for just $24. So that is 60% off.
Amazing. Amazing. I'm so getting one for John. Sold American. Done. All right, what's next?
We have got bangles. These are from Alex and Ani, the 3-piece beaded bangle sets. And we've got them in 4 colors. We've got amethyst, caramel, midnight sky, and ice blue. And each set includes 3 bracelets. They're each kind of a little bit different. They have different textures to them, so you can wear them separately for a more delicate look, or you can layer them for a more trendy look. You can even mix and match the colors. I would even do a couple sets and kind of mix it up. Alex and Ani is a big celeb loved brand, and their jewelry is all crafted with nickel-free, safe materials and eco-friendly fabrication in the USA.
Yeah.
And, we have seen these sets sold for as much as $74 on the brand's website, but we've got them for you for just $34 each. So that's 54% off. That's what I'm saying. You can get a couple and mix and match them up.
Fantastic.
It's a good deal. More than half off.
All right, bring it home, baby. You got one more to go.
Alrighty.
Bring it home, mama.
Last but not least, we have got the Floor Police cordless motorized mop for tile and wood floors. So it comes with the mop, and then you get 2 scouring pads, 2 microfiber pads, and then what we have on it right now are 2 polishing pads. And the spinning mop heads, there's 2 of them. They spin hundreds of times every minute. So it really does all the hard work for you. It loosens, lifts, and locks in the dirt. It scoops it all right up. And the swivel head is great because it moves easily around obstacles and under furniture. So it has a rechargeable battery. Each time it's fully charged, it delivers 90 minutes of runtime. So you can easily do multiple rooms in one charge. I mean, this is like a quick, efficient way to clean your floors. This is a game changer. We have seen this sold for as much as $59.98 on the brand's website, but we have got this for you for just $29. That's 51% off.
And I got to tell you, even at the original price, that's not bad at all. That's a really good.
I agree.
That's a really good deal. But Jen, remind people, these are all only limited deals, correct?
Correct. All of these deals are limited time, only while supplies last. So if you see something you love, get on there now, do your shopping at MorningSave.com.